Hello everyone and welcome to WordPress Training Essentials. Today we're going to talk about what is WordPress. And WordPress is one of my favorite tools to build websites with. WordPress is a web software that helps us create beautiful websites or blogs. WordPress is an open source software that helps us build the websites faster and easier than building sites from scratch. And if you've ever built a site from scratch before, it can kind of be a pain in the butt. And it can take a long time to create. And you have to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other web languages. And WordPress helps us so that we don't need to use those languages, but they do come in handy. So, like I said before, WordPress is an open source software, which makes it free for us to use, which is awesome. And it is developed by a large community that keeps it updated and makes sure things are secure, and they're just continually innovating the software for us. So it's fairly easy to download. You can download it right here and it'll give you all the files, or there's a way you can do it through your hosting service, which is 10 times easier, and I'll show that in another video. But first, let's look at some WordPress examples. This first site I'm going to show you is called rockstockguitar.com. This is one of my sites that helps teach guitar online. And as you can see, it looks pretty good, really professional. This is the menu here, or the navigation, search. Scroll down, you can see some of the courses and other information here, blog posts, because there's a blog on this site. And then it also has responsive design, so when you're on mobile devices, the site changes, which is pretty cool. That would take a long time to code manually, but this feature just came with this theme. So here's another example. This is a dental website, and as you can see, it's pretty clean and clear. Little form for the doctor to accept new patients. Some information about the practice. It's pretty easy to create all this too. And once again, it's responsive or mobile friendly. Responsive just means it will change to the screen size. So let's just review once you log into WordPress, you can see how the software is laid out, and in other videos I'll go and talk about that. So let's just come into Rockstock Guitar, and I'll show you what the back end of the website looks like, which is where you control it and everything. So this is the dashboard. You can see that there's a new WordPress available, and just kind of a quick glance of the site. There's posts, which are blog posts. That's how I add new blog posts. This theme has a lot of features in it, more than the normal theme. But basically, you can mess with the appearance of the site, and then add plugins. And plugins are an additional software that you can add in or plug into your website, so that the website has other functionalities and fun stuff like that. Users, you can create your own users, people that can log in and make changes to your website. And yeah, this is kind of what WordPress looks on the back end. It's a very great way to build a website, and very easy for beginners. And if you guys have any questions, write them in the comments below and I can answer them in another video. And please subscribe to my videos. I'll be creating more in the future.